Hello, Chemistry 116. My name is Katie, and I will be giving you your introduction to the Spectrophotometer lab. As seen in our previous video, we made a series of dilutions. Once the dilutions are done, we are going to place the solution with some water into a cuvette. The cuvette is then placed into the spectrophotometer in the lab, as you'll see later in the video. Once the series of dilutions has been placed into the cuvettes, we're going to head down to the lab to get our wavelength. Once we get into the lab, we are going to find a station and set the computer up and make sure that it's running the proper app so that we can see the graph of our dilutions. Before we can continue with running our samples, we have to make sure that we fill a blank into the spectrophotometer and ensure that we zero the scale so that all of our readings will come out accurate.
Hi, I'm Markeldon Bishop. Before putting our dilution in a spectrophotometer, we first have to write it down. We repeat this step 3 times. After we get all our data, we begin to transfer it to the wavelength tab and get our final results. When we finish scanning our results, we take our dilution and get ready for the next one.
We had to make sure that the wavelength had the right scans, because if it's wrong, it will give us a whole different solution. The lambda max is also what we needed from the wavelength, because it gives us the maximum of light, or the crucial parameter for identifying, which we need that to identify what the substance is.
Beer-Lambert law is also associated with lambda because it uses the absorption of light by a substance and the concentration of the substance. The formula for Beer-Lambert law is absorbances equals epsilon times concentration times path length, which is what we got from the zero section of our scans when using the blank. The relationship between absorbances and concentration is directly proportional. This means that as the concentration of the absorbing substance increases, the absorbance also increases. That means if we didn't start off with a blank, it would throw all of our results off balance. And this is all you need to know to use the spectrophotometer. Thank you.